Hey everybody, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Just wanted to drop in on you guys and let you know we're still actively looking for homes in the Stark and Summit County areas. Just a quick tip: if you're going to be selling a property in the area, or if you're going to be selling a property in general, make sure that you contact your utility company within a week of you closing on the property to let the utility company know that you're going to be transferring ownership, so that way there's no misunderstanding with the utility bill still being in your name after you actually transfer ownership, because you don't want to be continually billed for that. So that's just a quick tip. If you have any other real estate questions in general, you can definitely visit our website, www.investparamount.com, or you can call me directly, 330-685-2220.